Calhoun High School is in partnership with AdventHealth Gordon, and they invited us over to come over for the robotics workshop day.
Before, we used to make these huge incisions. Like for a kidney case, you would have to make what we call a flank incision from sternum all the way out to here. This would be this big to get to the kidney, to be able to get that kidney removed. But now we can do it with small incisions, so the patients recover much faster. They have less bleeding, and this is the best technology that we have right now in terms of robotic surgery. There's a lot of different applications for this robot and a lot of benefits for our patients because it just makes their life much easier. They're able to recover faster and then be able to get back to their families and their job and return to their normal lives.
There's so many different opportunities that are in healthcare now, whether it's in engineering or the robotics or surgery. This is just a really great day for them to be able to talk to the doctors.
The magnification of this is, at least 10 times better than your eyes. So you can see far more detail in terms of what you're cutting and cauterizing. And, my hands are big, so getting it into the abdomen, it gets in your way. Whereas these hands are tiny and it's not in the way. You're able to do everything that you need to do. For a small community of our size, to have 2 robots, that's unheard of. But because AdventHealth is willing to provide that for our community, that's why we have the newest technology. And hopefully that we get more people to become doctors and nurses so that you guys come back to Calhoun and then grow the place where you guys grew up in and make it into a better place and be able to help your people, your families, your friends, your neighbors. So hopefully many of you guys will go out to, to other places, have your education, and then come back to Calhoun so that you can give your time back to where you grew up and make Calhoun a better place for everybody.